gut feelers, welcome to a hugely requested video about the best iron supplement. Now, iron is one of those trace minerals, actually a heavy metal just like zinc, that we are most deficient in. The number one spot still holds zinc, but shortly after comes iron, heavy metal. Now, the problem with most of those iron supplements is that they're, number one, loaded with toxic ingredients, especially heavy metals. If you get like an iron infusion, for example, not recommendable. And reason number two why most iron supplements really suck is that they are not coming in a bioavailable form. Your body is not made for just having isolated iron put into your body. What I hear a lot from clients is that people get digestive upset, they get more constipation. It's highly taxing on your liver as well if you take 90% of those iron supplements, which are worth nothing but put more stress on your body. So we're going to discuss in this video what is the best iron supplement, and also 5 things you need to be aware of if you're taking an iron supplement. By the way, guys, if you would like me to make a separate video about iron-rich foods, why some of us are so iron deficient, and in general learning more about this amazing trace mineral, what it can do for your body, let me know in the comments below. Comment with yes, more about iron, please. Then if I get enough yeses and I'm counting them all, then I'm going to produce another follow-up video. But now let's dive into the 5 things that you need to be aware of if you decide and if you feel like you need an iron supplement. Maybe your doctor did some test results, you feel like, okay, I really need iron. Now, number one you need to be aware of, and this is something you already know if you checked out my gut supplement kit, where I teach you all about how to find the best supplements and the 3 most important supplements to heal your digestion. I linked that down below in the description in case you haven't checked that out. So number one is you need to check the other ingredients list. So anything that is not the iron that you're taking it for, but underneath, there shouldn't be anything in there apart from plants and water and really ingredients that you know and that they are not toxic for the body. So no citric acid, no magnesium stearate, no artificial, no natural flavors, nothing GMO and nothing with corn, and the list just goes on and on and on and on. And this list I'm also sharing with you in the My Gut Supplement tutorial, so check that out if you haven't. Number one, check the other ingredients list. Really important. Number 2, just like with zinc, never ever take iron supplements or zinc supplements on an empty stomach. Your body will tell you, I don't like that. You're gonna get nausea, you're gonna get cramps, headaches. It's a heavy metal, guys. It's a healthy heavy metal, but it's powerful. So never on an empty stomach. Number 3, if you are iron deficient, it's really important to not drink coffee or use any dairy products, milk, cheese, butter, ghee, any of this, because they can severely block the iron absorption. So while you're iron deficient, not just in the morning your coffee and then the supplement later, forget about it. No coffee. Coffee depletes your stomach acid. Coffee depletes also other minerals. Coffee acidifies your body. Pathogens thrive on an acidic in an acidic environment. Dairy feeds inflammation, feeds pathogens. Stop it. Just don't. And I have videos about that, how to get off the coffee and better alternatives and alternatives to dairy as well. I link those videos down below in the description. Number 5, guys, really important, if you take an isolated iron supplement, and one of those 2 that I'm recommending is going to be an isolated iron, you need to make sure, first of all, not on an empty stomach, with food, and with food that is rich in vitamin C. So any kinds of fruits, kiwis, oranges, papaya, mango, melons are very high in vitamin C. Water-rich fruits in general usually contain a lot of vitamin C, because vitamin C, natural vitamin C, not the synthetic one, helps to increase the iron absorption, also gives you less stomach ache when you take those iron supplements. Now, guys, last but not least, really important, what supplements could I recommend you? What supplements have I tested that are actually getting your iron levels up? Number 1 is an iron supplement if you are just a little bit deficient, or if you think you are a little bit deficient but you don't know for sure. And that one is a liquid Ionic Iron supplement from the same brand, Good State, that the zinc supplement is from, that I'm recommending. That one is liquid. It's very easy to not overdose it. Often if you get pills, you can overdose iron, then you get all of those cramps and constipation constipation, all of that happening. Also, the ionic trace minerals have the advantage that they come in a form, an electromagnetic charged form that is natural to iron that you would find out in nature. So they are more easy to be digested and don't sit so long in your stomach. Now, from the one that I recommend from Good State, I link that down below in the description, Ionic Iron Supplement, I recommend to take between 10 and 50 drops per day. Spread them out, don't take them all at once, because that will increase the absorption rate. The second one is my personal favorite, and it's especially for people who are very iron deficient, or maybe you come back from a test result and you feel like, oh my god, I really need iron. Much better than any infusions. You know, when you force the body, when you force something straight into the bloodstream, you can do a lot of damage to the body. The best thing how to get iron is always through food, but sometimes you need supplements, and that one is dear to my heart. It's from Global Healing Center, where I also recommend the vitamin B12 from. It's an amazing brand. It's GMO free, the other one as well, vegan, ethically sourced, and that's an iron supplement that's so rare, guys. That is 100% sourced from nature. A lot of the iron supplements that say natural are actually, there are some natural foods, but they don't really contain the iron, and then they put the synthetic iron on top and call it natural. This one, however, is from the curry tree. It's 100% iron from the curry tree, 100% plant-based, and also comes with some cofactors which help the absorption rate. There you can take 1 capsule or 2 capsules depending on how iron deficient you are, and you get 100 up to 200% of the daily recommended iron into your body. Most important, never on an empty stomach. Okay guys, so those two, I'm linking them down below in the description. Check them out, choose which one is best for you, and I would love to know in the comments below, what questions do you have? Do you want to learn more about iron deficiency, about iron foods, how to boost up your iron levels? Let me know in the comments below.